If you're growing Snapdragons this year, don't forget this one little trick that'll give you bushier, fuller plants with more flowers. It's so easy, it's so simple, and it will give you some of the most beautiful Snapdragon plants you've ever had. How simple is it? Just pinch your plants. That's right, all you've got to do is pinch the top section of the plant. I know, it sounds terrible, it sounds counterproductive, and it makes you feel a little bit bad when you do it. But trust me here, your Snapdragon will put out side shoots, which you can see in this video, and you will go from this tall skinny plant that you see in the video to this other bushier Snapdragon plant. Look like completely different plants, don't they? The difference here is the bushier plant is just a little older and it was pinched much earlier. The smaller plant is younger and I just recently pinched it in the last several days. So here you can see a side-by-side comparison of what pinched and unpinched will look like. A little bit more drastic because again, the recently pinched Snapdragon is a little younger, but I feel like this was such a drastic comparison between the two. Something that'll help you get the courage to pinch your plants for the first time. So don't forget to pinch those plants so that you have tons of side shoots, lots of flower stems to cut, and maybe even some to share. Once pinched back, these Snapdragons just keep coming with the side shoots. So again, don't be afraid to do it, just get it done and watch your plants transform in size, shape, and in the number of total flowers that you'll get. I hope this helps you on your snap growing journey, and thank you so much for joining me for yet another video. Have a great day, everyone.